show you something funny because look, bloody inlet hose, the end of it's in behind the bloody sink. So that's it ready. I've got a buckload of washing here to do. I wasn't arsed in doing in the WTG because it just wasn't, to be honest. So Samsung will be here tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'll have fun with that. This is all dried out. I've just took out the filter again and I've got it all down. And that's that, ready to go. Well, not go, because I'm actually keeping this machine now. It's going to be stored in our shed. It doesn't have plumbing or anything in it, along with potentially my nan's WTK, because if you follow my Instagram, you'll have known my nan who owned the WTK sadly passed away. So she did. Very unfortunate, but I don't know about the WTK, but to be honest, because my aunt might keep it, it's either that she's keeping it or I'm keeping it. I don't know. I haven't even asked them if I could keep it, but we'll see. Whatever happens, happens. At least it won't be going to the scrapyard. So yeah. Thank God I'll have the Samsung tomorrow. There's like so much washing to do. Like, oh my God. There's like general wear and there's like a hell of a lot of towels. Like we've got like barely no towels left. And then I've got bedding as well to wash. So yeah, I've got off that tomorrow. I'll post up a video of the tour of the Samsung. So once I've got it, I'll stick the wee liquid thing actually into the drawer just. Got that there. Slip in nicely. Oh. If I can also get it hooked onto the thing, that'd be great. Yeah, as you can see, it's hooked on there. So stick that back in. Just leave that open. So yeah, new washer, that's it. Big massive wash day tomorrow. So I'll have fun with that.